For Burp to work, we need to have Java installed on your computer. So go to java.com. So click the free Java download and say agree and start free download and say run. So the installation is pretty straightforward. Just say next. It just should take a minute to install. So now let's go and check if Java has been installed correctly. So it says that you have successfully installed Java. Now you can verify the Java version. If you see congratulations, that means that you have installed Java successfully on your computer. So there you go, you see the message there.